Tuli ku Pearl of Africa and of course tuli mu shootinga video ya mwana mulenzi Levixon wamu n'omukyala amanyiddwa nga Deborah nga bw'obiraba mu maaso awo video Oluyimba omukyala agenda kuba atubuulira title yaro naye nga teweerabe tuli ku Pearl of Africa Matovu Divorce kwali ku kamera bulungi nnyo kubanga ensonga zonna zikwasaganya bulungi nnyo nyongera okutegeeza we are proudly sponsored by Caring Heavens Uganda nga be batusaamu ensimbi gwe muganda wange atulengerera ewala. It's a big organization. So omukyala katubuuzeeko n'oluvannyuma tutegeere kyolabaawo zolabaawo behind the scene gye tukulaga ebifaananyi ebikwatiddwa olunaku olwaleero libadde essanyu jjereere Oluyimba lutegeeza ssanyu jjereere na kucelebrating Levixon wamu ne mukyala Deborah katweyanjulire avaawa and yazza atya okumanya Levixon otherwise maama sooka obuuze ku bantu abakulaba essaawa zino.
Mwebalire ddala muraho mwese. Bampita Deborah, Beeza. I'm from Rwanda. I live in Canada, where I live, but from Rwanda original.
Deborah, Beeza.
I am Beeza Deborah.
On all your social media platforms?
Yes. I'm gonna say meaning of the song is for celebrate what God have done to us. That's the meaning.
Kugamba Oluyimba lwa kujaguza Katonda by'akoledde.
Yes. Katonda akoze ebintu bingi mu bulamu bwaffe. Mu bulamu bwange about your life you can see. So we decide to celebrate on our song, to talk about that, to put together to the song. That song say tushima Imana yarabikoze, and then we celebrate to everything God have done to our life. That's the meaning of the song.
Abantu bakola muno Oluyimba oline Levixon. How do you meet Levixon?
Omanye Levixon, he's a big artist. I watch him on social media. I meet him to Rwanda. He came to the big concert. He came with Don
Moen.
Yes. I met him there, but it was a big concert. We didn't get time to sit and talk. It was just hi, and we talk a little bit. But I say if I get a chance to meet him again, I love his music. I love how he acting about generation, special generation, they follow him. So I decide to come to meet him. I came to Uganda to visit family and visit friends, and then that way I look at someone, give his number, I call him, we meet. He's a very humble guy. He's very Christian, I can say, because everything we did, me and him, was perfect. I said, I want to do a song with you. He said, wow, that's okay. He didn't say, oh no. He said, oh, mom, I call him my son. He called me mom. I'm so happy for that. So we decided to make that song. We went to the studio. Everyone was writing your part. He writes his part, I write my part. Then we pray. That just comes. So
who did the audio?
We were Daddy Andrew. Yes, and bebaza bonna group yonna wabadde Daddy Andrew, wabadde Morgan Isaac, bonna bampaniriza bulungi, mbadde nga bantreatinga bulungi, ebintu byonna byatambudde obulungi. Banange Luganda luze baagala nnyo. Yeah, that's how it was.
Mwatwala ennaku mmeka okuwandiika Oluyimba luno?
Banange ekyo Mukama yakikola. Twasinkana ne twogera tukola Oluyimba. Olunaku lwokubiri twasinkana nga tuli mu studio already. Everyone was put ideas together. Then I started writing. Levixon started writing his part. Then we sing. Yeah. It didn't take us long, but we talked. We're going to make song. That means to the Christian, if we say we're going to do something project, everyone can tell to his heart, what can I do to this project? You go pray, I go pray. We just come to meet in the studio and start to sing. Yeah, bibeera mufe si bya kunoonya. Twebaza Mukama.
Obulamu bwo bwanalidde kuyimba oba olina ebirala by'okola?
Ndina business zenkola. Actually kuyimba sigwa omulimo gwange. Nga bwe nkugambye tubanga twebaza bye Katonda akoze mu bulamu bwaffe, mu bulamu bw'abaana, mu bulamu bw'abaana baffe, mu bulamu bw'abafriend baffe. When the message just come, I feel to go to sing. Maybe I can't meet everyone. I can't take my message. The first way my message to go is to sing the song. That's how I decide to give my message to the people I love.
Oluyimba lwakumeka?
Oluyimba lwakubiri. First song is on YouTube. Muhumure. Yeah, that's the song. Muhumure is like mukole ncha mu Ruganda banange. Muhumure is like to tell you, don't worry.
Tofaayo.
Tofaayo. That's the song. It's a Muhumure. YouTube channel is called Deborah. Yeah, that's the one song is there. This is the second song. Yeah, but another more is coming because we have many messages. We have many where God has used us on this time. Yes.
Wow, and of course we're joined by Levixon himself, and of course agenda kuba tubuulira. Levixon ng'osaze nnyo amawanga taata kati oyo atoli Rwanda?
Ekitiibwa kya Mukama.
Sooka ovuze ku batulaba.
Abatulaba mbalamusiza mwenna mu Yesu Kristo Omunnazaaleesi amanya mapita Levixon.
Omukyala ono omusinkana oti?
Omukyala abula swana kukulimba oba kyali kitya naye kyemmanyi omukyala waliwo omuntu yankubirako nanga waliwo omukyala ava Rwanda ate abeera ne Canada ayagala bami mukole oluyimba. So nze omuntu yenna ayagala okuyimbira Katonda ayimbira Kristo mba siina mutawaana. So ne mugamba naye waba ayagala kukola nange siina mutawaana mujja kumbuulira when you ready ate maybe waliwo ne music tusobola okukola ki naye nga yaŋŋamba meeting ate nandagambwa mmanyi nnyo nandagambwa yandabako e Rwanda bwe nali ngenze ne Don Mowen okwasa afuna time ku meeting. Then what else? Then that's how everything started. Yeah.
Wow. Oluyimba lwe tuli mu kulaba abantu bali mu kulaba saa zino behind the scenes. Oluyimba mwaluwandiikira bbanga ki ani yakwata awo ku peeni awo?
Nawandiika verse ne hook eyo ya celebrate. It didn't take even 20 minutes.
Ebyolunyarwanda ani yabiwandiika?
Yabyewandiikira.
Hey.
Yeah, she's good. She's very, very good, yeah. Yabyewandiikira n'abiyimba just to arranging but she's very, very talented.
Abannayuganda oyinza bagamba ki eri omukyala ono kuba kati gwe oyina emirandira wano eminene e Uganda?
Nja kugamba ekintu kimu omuntu era n'ayagala omulabirawo omukyala gubambi olaba she's loving, very kind. Muntu ayagala bubeera n'abantu bangi naye bonna abaagala. She's so good. Alina omutima omulungi era abannayuganda mwenna abalaba mumuwe chance. You listen to her music. She has very good music. Atugenda kukoma ku lwange lwokka because she has done many songs, but she's down to earth. She loves people, and me, I serve God by serving people, and I love God by loving people. So at least tuina element eyo je tukola ki je tugatta ya.
Mama, any words to Levixon? Ebigambo byowanjagadde ogamba Levixon after this project nga tugimaliriza?
Twogera bingi naye nga mama n'omwana. Actually I call him my son, he call me mom. That's very nice. What I can tell him, Levixon is gonna go far, and I bless him every time. I loved his music before, but now we are live. I meet him. You can hear music to somebody, you never meet him. And many big stars, when you meet them, they are like big. They don't like want to. But him, I call him every time, Levixon. Even at night, even what time, he's going to take my call. And they tell me, Mom, just let them doing. Tomorrow we're meeting there. Everything's going to be okay. So he helped me very much to give me like break. Yeah. So now, what can I say to you? God bless Levixon. Take him where he wants to be. And I know he can like to be somewhere, but you have a plan, big plan to him. God bless you, Levixon. We love you so much.
Levixon never disturbed you making the song, making you move up and down?
No, no,
Even no asking for money?
no. That's why we see we're celebrating. Everything was perfect.
Walikuwa na mutima mulungi.
Amen. You know,
Mulala yali mugambye abaana be Uganda ano nga basooka okusaba akasente.
I know sometimes I find many people when they come to me nga baagala collabos babuuza tukuwe sente meka. So nze bw'ojja n'ekyo nze ndaba it is more than money. Connection is more than money. So bw'ojja, why would I even sell the gospel? Mu ngeri bw'etyo tuyimbira Katonda. Leka oli gwe agenda okumpita okuyimba ku mbaga yansasule. Naye gwe ate gwe tukoze naye oluyimba. Oluweesa Mukama ekitiibwa lwaki obonsasula. So it's not all about that. You understand? Yeah.
Wow. Since I met him, he never talked to his mouth about money. That was...
Levixon doesn't talk about money?
No.
Levixon doesn't know money?
No, he didn't talk. He know money and he has the money, but he didn't talk about money when we were doing work of God.
Levixon, sente zotamanyi oba?
Kaya gwe sente zimanyi ne
bagambye toyogera ku kya sente tosaba sente omutima ogwo
ulira bistory
wazaabu golden heart yo ogwa bebe golden heart
nedda sigamu nyina nyingi naye nenda ba relationship yesinga connection yesinga you don't know. Yes, someone can give you
emikwano egitegeerekeka.
Mba kuyimirira ne mugamba give me over 30 million to do a collab. Singa nazimala order. That money would have been finished long time ago. Yeah, so it's not all about money. We should not even front money, understand? Yeah, it's not all about money because how? How can you start?
How? Levixon sente tazaagala. And is that one person nze kati kamba buulire ne bw'osanga Levixon n'omuwa akakadde nga tabadde mu mudu takakwata. Kakati yene embeera gye tulimu.
Alimba. Sina mutawaana.
Mu blessings alize kukkiriza. Naye tabuuza sente. Tatunda ebyo Mukama yamuwadde.
Mama, Levixon tabuuza sente.
Tabuuza sente.
Sente tezimulya. Musibe bulungi mweraba naye nga omusajja agambye, omukyala atugambye, mama Deborah atugambye, if you want an artist atasaba sente atayina kyakola ki oba kuyimbira waka oba kukola ki Levixon tayagala sente.
No, bwe yagala nzije nkuyimbire leeta sente.
Musibe bulungi mweraba.
Celebrity Track. Subscribe.